What a day, what a car. Alfa Stelvio Quadrifoglio, you see here. Hi guys, I'm Matthias from Cars and Bikes, and today I'm sat in an Alfa Romeo. Sound check from the outside. But being the Italians are, this is actually a very beautiful plastic car. Actually, the gear shifts in this car are fun. They sound great. First gear. Wow. Pulls like a train. Did you hear that? Like, brum, brum, brum. What I also love about the soundtrack of this exhaust noise is that it's a bit unpredictable. On that note, guys, that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. That would help me a lot to do more of this content. Oh, as the Italians say, ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Man, can you hear that? What a car, what a machine. That Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio, man, love it.